Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to set your Android to factory settings. There are two methods and how to set your Android to factory settings. I mean to reset your Android device. So the first thing to do is to simply go to your phone settings. You can see this gear icon here and then scroll down and tap this additional settings. Once you tap this one, you have to scroll down again and look for backup and reset. Tap this and you can see this data erasure or erase all data factory reset. Now, if you can't see that additional settings, you can just simply go back to your settings and go to the search bar, type reset. Okay, and then click enter. Now wait for a couple of seconds and you can see some options here, and you should tap this erase all data factory reset. Tap this one. Now once you tap this, you have to make a choice here, but you just have to tap this erase all data or erase data. Now please make sure that when you tap this one, you have your backup files already, because if you tap this, probably it will erase your files such as your music, your photos, some of your applications, and other things on your phone device. So I strongly suggest that you must create a backup files first before you erase data or do this factory settings or factory reset on your phone device. So once you tap this one, it will erase your data and it will turn off your Android device. So once it's turned off, it will just restart automatically. So I cannot do it because this is just a tutorial and I can't erase my data. So I'm just going to show you or tell you what will happen. So it will turn off your phone and will restart. And probably when that or your device turns on, you can see um, choices like options like first select language. You have to tap your language and then you have to click next once you choose your language. And after that, you have to select region. And then after you select your region, you must be connected, you must agree with their terms, and then you must be connected to a Wi-Fi, and then accept Google services, and then set unlock method. Okay, it could be your password, fingerprint, or face. Everything is up to you. Or you can tap later if you want. Okay, and then recommended auto update. You can import your data, and that's it. You can get started. So that's the first method, and you can only see that when you totally erase your data or do factory reset. So the second option here is, if you cannot do this or if you cannot locate your phone settings, such as say your phone is not working well or there's a malfunction or it's not really working. So in order to set your Android to factory settings or in order to hard reset your Android phone, you just have to click this volume app key and power button. You just have to press it together. But sometimes it depends on the phone device brand. Sometimes you have to press the lower key of your volume and also the power button. Okay, press together and then release. Then after that, the logo of your phone or the brand of your phone will pop up, and then do the factory reset. Same as earlier, you also need to select your language. Okay, and then after you select your language, you have to say recovery first and then wipe data and then format data. Okay, and then tap format, wipe automatically, and then your phone will restart again. But always remember that you can only adjust this one through your power key button or your key button, because you cannot tap anything on your phone. You just have to select it through your button or your key, volume up key or volume down key. So you just have to follow these two methods in order for you to set your Android to factory settings. Only take a few minutes and it will not consume more of your time. So if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.